I submit that there is no probable cause against Associate Justice Mariano del Castillo on the following grounds. Granting for the sake of argument that he committed plagiarism, which he did not. That act is not an impeachable offense because its severity or gravity is not at par with the other grounds for impeachment under the Constitution, which are the culpable violation of the Constitution, treachery, then bribery and corruption, other high crimes, and betrayal of public trust. Betrayal of public trust should be elevated to the same severity as the other impeachable offenses. Not every act which violates good norm or good conduct is a betrayal of public trust. Then plagiarism is not even a crime. There is no penal statute which would define plagiarism. So, if it is not even a crime, then how can it be assessed as severe as the other impeachable offenses?